Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I will focus on how to use the Final Assessment platform in MyGuru. Final Assessment is a platform for students to upload answer papers for the final semester examination. After successfully logging into MyGuru, select a course. This time, I chose this biology course. In the biology course dashboard, look in the menu on the left and click the Final Assessment menu. Students are first asked to make a declaration of final assessment of students. If you agree with the commitment, please mark in the agree space provided. Click Submit to continue. Click Yes. Click OK. Click on Go to Final Assessment to begin. Read the description or instructions provided. Click the Browse button to upload the file. Select the file and click Open. Then click Go. The file will appear below after a successful upload. Click OK. Before submitting, students again need to make a commitment. If you agree with the declaration, click on the Agree column and then click the Submit button. Click Yes. Delivery details are displayed for students to view. The process is over. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.